Puppies are 2 weeks old, and their eyes have just opened in the last couple of days. Their hair is starting to grow, and a little personality coming out. But right now, they just want to sleep and eat a lot.